This is the before and after of our redesign for our subscribers' home, and we'll show you the entire process of achieving this look. Today, we're working on Jonathan's home. We'll redesign it step by step so you can see the entire process of transforming a space into a modern minimalist style. This is the 45th design in our challenge to complete 100 interiors in a year. In this series, we share practical ideas for materials, decor, and even furniture arrangements. In this video, we will be designing his living, dining, and kitchen to be turned into a something. Let's start with the living area. This living area measures 3.5 meters by 2.5 meters. Right now, you'll see two love seats, but they looked overlapping, making the space feel tight. Aside from these, there's not much furniture, and for the curtains, it is a typical curtain rod. He wants this to transform into a modern, minimalist space. And also, he mentioned that he prefer an L-shaped sofa. Plus, considering adding a TV wall, either beside the staircase or near the entrance, and needing additional storage to keep things organized. So, here's the plan. First, the walls are repainted in crisp white to match the modern minimalist look you want. For the flooring, it stays the same since it complements the style well. On the ceiling, you can go for a tray ceiling with layered drop panels. This design adds depth and architectural interest. Now, let's talk about furniture placement. He wants an L-shaped sectional sofa, and the best placement for it is in the corner facing the staircase. But make sure to leave at least 10 centimeters of space between the sofa and the wall to keep the layout breathable. To complement the sofa, you can add throw pillows in neutral and earthy tones to bring warmth into the space. For your coffee table, a nesting type design works best here. It gives you flexibility without taking up too much space. You can style it with a simple vase with flowers and some of your favorite books. If you need a side table, a C-shaped table is a great option. It slides under the sofa, making it compact and functional. Perfect for placing drinks, books, or a laptop when you need it. To anchor the space, a light gray, soft-textured rug adds both comfort and a subtle contrast to your flooring. Now, let's talk about your curtains. Instead of using a typical curtain rod, you can switch to ceiling-mounted curtain tracks. These are installed close to the ceiling, creating a seamless and elegant look. With this setup, you get full curtain movement, making the space feel taller and more refined. For your lighting, you can put a pin lights at the corners and this geometric-style chandelier and cove lighting. And that's how we transformed this living area. From a cramped setup with limited furniture to a modern minimalist space that feels open, stylish, and functional. Now, everything ties together perfectly. Sofa placement, furniture choices, and even the curtain details. What do you think of this transformation? Let me know in the comments. Moving on to creating the TV wall. We decided to place the TV wall on this side so you can enjoy a wider view of your living area. For your TV wall, we added a low floating shelf to ground the design while keeping cables and electronics neatly tucked away. The TV is mounted on a marble finished panel, which gives it a sleek, high-end look while subtly reflecting light. To enhance the ambiance, we installed LED strip lighting here, creating a soft backlight effect that makes the TV area stand out. Above the TV, we placed a floating shelf and cabinet with integrated LED lighting, adding warmth while subtly highlighting the marble's natural patterns. On the right side, the built-in cabinets with a wood veneer finish provide ample storage, while the open shelving features recessed LED lights, making it the perfect space for displaying decorative items. The combination of wood, marble, and strategic lighting not only enhances the aesthetics, but also creates a warm and modern ambiance, making the space feel luxurious yet functional. Moving on to the dining area, the previous setup felt plain and didn't make full use of the space, but with a few smart changes, you can create a modern and functional dining area that feels intentional and stylish. This dining space measures 2.5 meters by 3 meters. So, to keep it open and elegant, you can replace the dark wood dining set with a sleek marble-top dining table. This instantly adds a high-end feel while keeping the space visually light. Instead of these chairs, you can go for curved, upholstered dining chairs with black metal legs, giving you both comfort and a sophisticated look. For better lighting, you can swap out the basic ceiling light and install a modern sculptural pendant light paired with pin lights. This doesn't just improve illumination, it also acts as a focal point, making your dining area look well designed. Since you wanted a wall accent, we incorporated decorative wall moldings to give the space more depth and texture. This small detail makes the walls look more refined and elegant without overpowering the space. To enhance the overall ambiance, you can update your curtains by using a ceiling-mounted curtain track for a more seamless and elegant look. This allows your full-length layered sheers and blackout drapes to fall naturally. Now, let's talk about maximizing the staircase area. Instead of leaving it empty, you can install a pull-out storage system to keep things organized without wasting space. Next to it, you can add a custom wine cabinet with glass doors and LED lighting, turning this corner into a functional yet stylish feature. What's even better is that behind the wine cabinet, you can have a hidden storage area, giving you extra space while keeping everything looking seamless and clutter-free. With these updates, your dining area isn't just a place to eat. It becomes a well-thought-out, elegant, and practical space that truly fits your home. Now take a step back and see how these changes transform the way your space feels. Now, let's move on to the kitchen. The previous setup lacked a structured layout, which made it feel cramped and inefficient. But with a few adjustments, you can create a more functional and visually appealing space. This kitchen measures 2.5 meters by 2.5 meters. So, keeping an L-shaped layout works best to maximize storage and maintain an efficient workflow. Let's move on with the cabinetry. The lower cabinets now have a wood veneer finish that brings warmth and texture, keeping the kitchen cozy and inviting. We retain the countertop and backsplash tiles, a beige quartz surface offering both durability and elegance. One key update is that the backsplash was extended higher to protect the walls from moisture, grease, and heat. This not only improves functionality, but also makes cleaning easier, keeping your kitchen looking polished over time. The black undermount sink sits perfectly under the window, paired with a matte black faucet that complements the modern aesthetic. The upper cabinets are finished in a clean white matte surface, creating a sleek and modern contrast. This combination balances the space, making it feel more open and airy. The cooking area features a built-in black induction cooktop, which is both sleek and functional. Above it, black range hood is installed to keep the air fresh and remove cooking fumes. Under-cabinet LED lighting was also added to improve task lighting and enhance the overall ambiance. However, one major issue was that the refrigerator and cooking area were placed too close to each other, which isn't ideal for safety and ventilation. To solve this, a partition using compact laminate was added between the refrigerator and the stove. Compact laminate is highly durable, heat-resistant, and moisture-proof, making it a great material for separating appliances without compromising on style. This ensures that heat from the stove won't affect the fridge's performance while keeping both areas accessible. To make use of the available space, a kitchen peninsula was added, featuring a marble waterfall countertop with a wood accent ledge. This creates a casual dining area where you can add bar stools for extra seating. The peninsula also serves as additional prep space, making the kitchen feel more practical and efficient. For window treatments, horizontal blinds were installed to give you full control over light and privacy while maintaining a modern and streamlined look. And for the ambient lighting, we add pin light for general illumination. Small decor pieces like ceramic vases, potted plants, and kitchen essentials were carefully placed to make the space feel homey without looking cluttered. With these updates, your kitchen now feels more organized, stylish, and functional. Every element was carefully chosen to create a space that works efficiently while maintaining a warm and inviting atmosphere. Take a look at how this transformation completely changed the feel of your kitchen. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.